Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we will take a look at copying and pasting the rows and columns. Here is our employees workbook, and we will look at rows first. Say for example, you want to copy the row 10. Click on the row ID 10. That makes the whole row selected, and then you can right click on it and use copy from the menu that's displayed. Once you do that, the entire row gets copied. You can see that the whole row has a green border with white dots, kind of moving. So once we copy, now we can paste it. Now say for example, I want to paste on line 19. As you can see, the row 19 has this bonus total 23,070. So let me select that row. Now I am going to right click on it and say paste special, and then do paste. This is similar to what we did with the cell in one of the previous videos. Once I paste it, what really happens is the entire row gets pasted on top of the 19. So we practically lost whatever we had in that particular row prior to pasting. So let me Control Z it and revert it back. So when you paste on a specific row, it overwrites whatever you have in that particular row. Now let's look at another option. Say for example, I want to insert the copied row above the bonus line, bonus total line. What I'll do is I'll right click on it and say insert copied rows. What this does is it moves the entire spreadsheet down from there and inserts this row. This is this is same as inserting a blank row and copying the data onto the blank row. So when you do an insert copied cells, it inserts and it will not overwrite any data. However, it does move the data down. Now when you paste, it overwrites it. So that's a little difference. Now let us take a look at the columns. Similar to rows, all you need to do is select the column using the column ID, right click on it, and then copy. Similar to rows, you do have option to paste or insert the copied cells. So we copied it, and then let's say I want to paste this at the end here. Right click on it and do, if I do do a paste, it pretty much overwrote it. Do a Control Z there, and if I do insert copied rows, and look at what happens. It inserts that column right before the service years. This is again similar to rows, what we demoed a couple of minutes ago. Now when it comes to copying and pasting or copying and inserting, there's a little thing that you need to pay attention to. Say for example, let me start with a cell. Let's say I want to copy this bonus total to this cell. Let me make it yellow. So I want to copy this to here. So let's say all I do is copy and do here, it overwrote it, right? I did Control C, Control V. Let's say I copying it using Control C. Let's say I clicked around and then coming back here and trying to paste it. It will not. So the cell, anytime you copy a cell or a row or a column, and if you click around in any cell and then go to your desired location to paste it or insert it, it will not work. You will have to redo it again. Let me demo this with a row. So let's say row 10, did Control C. You can see there is a green border and there's a little dots moving. So I copied it, and let's say I clicked in the cell, and now I will paste it. See, I don't even have an option to paste. And if I do insert, I don't even see insert copied cells. All I have is insert. If I insert, it will insert a blank row but not the row that we copy. This is same with the columns as well. When you copy a column and you click around and then try to insert or copy or paste that particular column, it will not work. So just keep it in mind, especially beginners kind of get a little bit confused with it. Okay, well, that's it in this video. I'll see you in the next.